Hi, my name is Wildflower. I'm here to share with you the Grand Old Duke of York to encourage a baby to roll over. It's really important if you're going to practice these movements with babies. It's very beneficial to also incorporate a song or rhyme to further engage them. And it's nice to build some suspense. It gets that interaction going. And in the first year of baby's life, language is so important. Even though they're not talking, they're very much building their language skills. So one of the gross motor physical skills that a baby needs to roll over is bringing knees to belly and then moving hips to side to side. And we're going to do that with Lucille, my baby. And as best you can, get face to face. And here goes. The Grand Old Duke of York, he had 10,000 men. He marched them up to the top of the hill and he marched them down again. And when they're up, they're up. And when they're down, they're down. And when they're only halfway up, they're neither up nor down. He marched them to the left. He marched them to the right. He marched them round and round again and marched them out of sight. Hope you have fun with it. Enjoy.